All right, WMC, great fill here. These are always fun. This is the video to randomize our Hall of Fame players for break number 1, which is the Hall of Fame baseball. So we'll check the time, October 31st, 6:46 p.m. We'll go over to the break and type live. And we have October 31st at 6:46 p.m. There is the list of our 64 Hall of Fame players. We're just going to randomize these names and then we'll match them back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's it. I was going to keep going. All right, so we'll get our Hall of Fame player list uploaded. You guys can trade players if you like, and then we will see you in about 15 minutes for the break.